Hey guys, in this video we'll be talking about the OnePlus Concept 1 smartphone that OnePlus showed off at CES event today. So talking about it, it's a really unique piece of technology, right? But the painful thing is that OnePlus has already made it clear that this is not something they're going to be selling at any cost. This is just a prototype and is just to show off that they have this cool technology they're working on and they're capable of this particular thing. So what essentially is OnePlus Concept 1? So OnePlus Concept 1 is actually a very interesting design. So what happens is that they're using electrochromatic glass to hide the camera lenses when you're not using it. When you open the camera app, the glass becomes transparent and you can see through the lenses, but once you close the camera app, it becomes again a black color glass and you can't see anything. So aesthetically it's very pleasing. And about other design terms as well, you have the McLaren signature papaya orange colored leather with stitchings on either sides and the black color glass in the middle. So it actually looks very stunning, but it's very sad that you can't buy it right now. So that is something as far as design is concerned. And the backstory to this is that OnePlus has worked on it for almost 18 months now, and they have perfected this technology in partnership with McLaren. In case you have seen McLaren cars, they have this really similar technology in their sunroofs where it goes from opaque to transparent based on the sunlight available, or you can also adjust it from inside the car. So that is the same technology that OnePlus has taken and essentially has made it from this thick to 0.8 millimeters, which frankly I think is a very cool thing. So how it essentially works is that there is actually a glass layer and electrochromatic layer in between, and then there's a glass down. So that is the reason it's thick, but OnePlus has managed to bring it into a thickness of phone's back panel, so which is extremely cool. So how it works is that once a charge is passed through this electrochromatic layer, it becomes either transparent or again a black color based on alternative current. So that is essentially how it works, and it's a really cool piece of technology, especially to show off in events like this. But coming to think about the practicality of this type of technology, I think what one iPhone is going to come with in their phones, which I have seen the rumors of, is better, because they essentially have just a coating of some sort on the lenses which hides the lenses, which I think is a better implementation, because this is a very complicated mechanism, and I don't know what happens when the phone falls and the glass cracks. So if the glass cracks, is it going to be black color all the time, which leads you to have a permanent ND filter on your lens, or does it become transparent all the time, which loses all the functionality and the money you paid for it? So I don't know what exactly happens, but I think it's a big risk. And once again, talking about the functionality, you also have a technical functionality, which is you get an additional ND. It's not a variable ND of any sort, but hey, you have 3-stop ND that is built into a phone, which is never seen before thing. So it's already cool with that. We can't demand more from OnePlus. So where it stands right now is that this technology is in a development stage. So it will take again 2 more years to make into smartphone world, and OnePlus is very sure that they're going to be implementing this in their future phones, but not right now, at least for the next 2 years. So let's see where this technology heads, and I think it's really good, but let's see if Apple is right or OnePlus is right in this opinion of hiding their lens better. So let's see how it turns out. And basically, design aside, this is just a OnePlus 7T Pro, right? It's just the same old hardware, but they have just added this new back panel to it and coated the sides with gold just to give it that nice aesthetic, which is obviously worked out in their favor. It looks actually very good, but it's a shame that you can't buy it right now. So that's been our OnePlus Concept 1 video. In case you like this video, leave a like, and if you want to watch more cool stuff like this, consider subscribing to our channel, and see you in the next one.